Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and before I get into my Day 2, December 2nd Advent Calendar video, yet again I'm hopping in because things are happening at Spellbinders. Right now, Kit Club is out. They have a new value club called the Deluxe Caboodle Club. All the kit clubs bundled together, plus this beautiful free gift. If you join this month, you get a Spellbinders apron. Also, there is the 12 days of giveaways. I'm going to mention it all the way up to day 12. You can enter on social media, Instagram, Facebook, but there is also additional entries if you enter on the Spellbinders website. I will put a link in every single video for the 12 days of giveaways. The grand prize on day 12 is a Spellbinders Platinum machine. Not the Platinum 6, the Platinum, the big wide format machine, the one that's on my wish list. And it's the original Platinum machine with the universal plate system, full size. So that is an amazing giveaway. It is only open to US and Canadian residents, okay? Alrighty, let's get into this video. Let's get started. Day 1 started off with a bang with the beautiful card, didn't it? Alrighty, crafters. Now let's go into day 2. Crafting isn't a hobby, it's a feeling. Oh, yes. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Let's see. Sending good thoughts. Is there a picture with this? Ah, look, so there is a picture with it just to give you a reminder of how to put it together. So the For You does go in there. That was for day 1. This one looks like it's going to be either a stamp or an embossing folder. Oh, it's a stamp. It's a stamp. So cute. Sending good thoughts. Oh, that's very nice. And this is 2 separate pieces. So you could stamp a bunch of the florals and then put sending good thoughts or use a different sentiment. Love the font. Alrighty, let's look at my example. So what I did with this cute little stamp set is turn it into a tag. Colored this up with my Copic markers. Let me show you what I used. This is from the Throwback Faves collection. 2 items. And both of these items from the Throwback Faves I purchased myself. Dotted tags, scored and pierced rectangles. So I had mentioned this in a previous video and I had said to you they would be nice to work together because of the dot detail on both. So here is my example of using it. So the tag, 3 inches tall, 2 inches wide. You use the dot detail is actually a drop-in. So this is 3 tags with 3 drop-ins. So the tag could be solid without the dot detail, but I like the dot detail. See how the dots are so cute? I made the tag, use my crocodile to punch that circle, tie this off with some of that Spellbinders hemp cord in black. The colorway I went with was like a spring bloom with the bright colors with the floral. Then came in with some Alto New Pool ink and did a little bit of ink blending just right here on that white cardstock. In the background, that's where I came into the scored and pierced rectangles. This was sold out at Spellbinders. It is back in stock. I use this one, but this is really cool because it does give you like a framed look. Cut line and then a deep emboss, okay? That embossing folder, it's an embossing folder of the month from this year. Seamless floral background. Love that. So I wanted to have this floral look, but this be more subtle than that. This is that larger dot layer. This is not a full A2. Think of these as the inner matting layers of an A2 card. 3 7/8 of an inch wide by 5 1/8 of an inch tall. So you're under an A2. To get a full A2, which is what this card is, this is a top folding A2 card. Postage edge rectangle. So I talked about this in that video. I'm now showing it to you. Your dot detail in the postage edge rectangles dies. Your A2 is here. You see how the dot details are different? This is wider than this. Is it bothering you? It's not bothering me at all. If it is bothering you, then you could just cut an A2 panel or use your precision layering A2 dies to get that solid piece if you don't want this dot, that dot. But I think it adds texture and fun. All 3 with the dot details are working together. Throwback Faves and this new fave. All having fun. For the sentiment, coming into one of my favorites, Making Me Smile Sentiments hot foil plate. This is the first time I'm using the tiny ones. Normally, I don't use these smaller ones. I always go with the bigger sentiments. I have a whole package here full of sentiments, okay? And I found this one with the blue. and that worked well. Here is a version of what it looks like when you take that little panel, and this maximizes your cardstock because you can make a bunch of these out of one sheet of hammer mill cardstock or whichever glimmer cardstock you're using. I'm going up here, but this is what all of this says. So you glimmer this once, then you cut it with the coordinating die. There I have Hello Lovely, which is right there. Not cute? So I have a pink version too. I could have done pink, but I went with the blue. Alrighty, crafters, so that's it for December 2nd. I love this little stamp. I think it's so cute too with the tag. Finished it off with some crystal mixed gems. December 1st, I glued on my sentiment, and here is December 2nd. Love. Alrighty, crafters, everything will be detailed and linked below. Oh, one more thing. The Advent Calendar. I had mentioned in the previous video that there is some last minute Advent calendars available because it's sold out a lot of places. But for some reason, Simon Says Stamp has overstock. Yesterday, when I showed it to you, it was $39.99. Today, it went up to $49.99. So they're changing the price on it too, okay? But if you do want to get your Advent calendar, because now you're seeing all these examples, this might be the time. Alrighty, crafters, I will definitely put a direct link for that so you can grab yourself an Advent calendar. I'm glad that at least it's available now when you're starting to see all of where this is going. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.